Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hope you're all doing well. I have a project share for you today and this is my latest finished junk journal. The theme is botanical and I was thinking about spring and summer the whole time that I was making this journal. The base of the cover is Kraftex. It is like a leather and it wears like leather, but it cuts and washes like fabric. I covered it with lilac fabric and then decorated it with the image from a bird vintage book. I added faux botanical stamps just to stress it a little bit. And then this is a really pretty image. The laces and the trims are vintage. And this is the back, just decorated with a butterfly. And the closure is an elastic with a vintage button. The size of this junk journal is 9 by 7 inches and then the spine is 2 inches and the cover is very flexible and it is stuffed with really great ephemera and elements. This is a mix and match junk journal. You will see different colors and the elements are a combination of vintage papers and then scanned images of the vintage pieces, and there is really a mix of elements. So I hope that you will like this. Okay, so let's take a look inside. I'm just making sure that I'm in frame. I think this is better. Okay, so here are some die cuts. And then this is a trim pocket and journaling at the back. So there's plenty of space to write in and there are plenty of inserts. This is embellished, but it is still a writing journal. These sheets are original, they are vintage from 1966. And this is an accounting record. And this is a book page. Here is a tuck, and this is a distressed time card. I added a lace. And then this sheet is original. Sorry about the glare. These are die cuts and then a very lovely flower lace. Another tuck. These are scanned printed copies. And then a book page, also vintage. Another place to journal in. A journaling card. And this is a scanned copy as well. Just some ephemera there. This postcard is original. Also vintage. And then this paper doily is beautiful. It's also vintage. Music sheet and a couple of buttons and trim. Some more die cuts and a cluster. And more pieces where you can journal in the back. I added this tab. So lots of places to really write in. And then this is a vellum die cut. Another scanned copy of a vintage ephemera. Next page, here's another tuck. And this sheet is original. It's also very vintage. Wallpaper, and then we have here a tuck and a vellum die cut. This one is another cut apart. Next page, we have here a page from the Edith Holden book. And then this is a pocket. And inside the pocket is a mini booklet. So inside the booklet, we have here coffee stain papers. And then these are handmade papers and really very pretty. Next page, another tuck. We have here some more space to journal. Next page, I just stapled a vintage playing card, added a pretty lace, and then here's a pocket. It says here, love lives here. And then scanned printed copies of vintage ephemera. And this postcard is original. Here's a vintage book page. Next page, we have a belly band and I added this pretty lace. Here are some sheets where you can journal in. Here's another tuck and another page from the Edith Holden book. Next page, we have another tuck. This is a stencil tag. Some more space here to write in. And then this postcard is original. Another vintage postcard, and this one is Canadian wildlife. This is the last page of the first signature. And on the back, I just stapled a vintage playing card. Second signature, we have here a tuck, and this is a scanned copy. This clear check is vintage. and these are scanned printed copies. Here we have an original postcard, and this is another pocket, and inside the pocket is a mini booklet. The inside pages are also coffee stained papers and a handmade paper. This is the last page. And then on this pocket, we have a glassine bag with guest checks, coupons, and some die cuts. And then I added this vintage flower. So here is my mix and match junk journal, and the theme is botanical. I hope you like this. I would love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment down below. And all the information about this junk journal will be in my description. Thank you so much for watching and staying here with me. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I really appreciate that. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.